Hey guys, I'm back with another Tadoku update, and this time I'll be doing another manga review on a series that I just finished. I actually started this series a while back and never got around to finishing it, so through this Tadoku thing, I finally just finished the last book, so I can give a review on it. It's called Koukou Debut, which translates to high school debut, and let me just give a disclaimer right now. This normally isn't really my kind of story. It's very shoujo, as you can sort of tell, romance type story, high school romance thing, and that's not usually my thing. I've read some good manga before that was romancy and very, very shoujo girly stuff that I have enjoyed, so it's not that I don't like all of it, but it's not usually my thing. I actually got this as a gift, and so, you know, I got it for free, so I'm not complaining, but I might have a bit of a bias, I guess. So there are 13 volumes, and like I said, I just finished the last one, and the plot is basically, so you have this girl, her name is Haruna, I think, and she is very, very tomboyish, and I don't think she ever had a boyfriend. She was very, very into sports, into softball, and she comes to high school and she's never had a boyfriend, and she really, really wants to have one. That is her ultimate dream, is to be able to get a boyfriend. But like I said, she's very tomboyish, she's not girly at all, and she doesn't really know how to go about doing it. So after a couple of things happen, she meets this guy named Yo, and he's kind of the most popular guy in school, and he can, you know, he's really popular with the girls. So she really, really admires him, and eventually asks him to be sort of her coach, her trainer in finding a boyfriend. I mean, he eventually agrees. At first he doesn't. He's kind of a jerk. But he eventually agrees and says, like, okay, but on one condition, you know, don't fall in love with me. So, well, I don't want to ruin anything, but obviously things get really complicated, and so the whole story is about them and, you know, their friends and family, and it's a lot of high school drama. So I got through the series. I read all of them. I, you know, liked it okay at the beginning, and then it got a little bit long for me. Like I said, it's not really my thing, so I got super, super annoyed with the characters. A lot of them are really, really immature. I don't know, I tend to see this a lot in this girly manga. They're really bad at communicating, and they have all these problems, like relationship issues, over really stupid things. And it's just frustrating to read sometimes, but at the same time, you know, just don't take it too seriously, and it can be a lot of fun. There are some really funny parts, and it's very lighthearted, very easy to get through. It is harder to read than something like Yotsubata, which is for kids. This is for probably like preteens and teens, even older. So it's, you know, a little bit more complicated, but not too bad. I got through it pretty well. There's still furigana and everything, so it's not too hard. The ending is, of course, you know, super cheesy. So much of it is really, really cheesy. So if that thing gets on your nerves, then probably avoid this. But if you really like the shoujo stories and everything, then this might be okay, story-wise. The art I like okay. It's not my favorite art. I'll show you a couple pages. It's not bad. It can be a little bit rough at times, but it's fine. No complaints there. And overall, it's just a pretty standard shoujo manga, and yeah, it can be fun, and at the same time it can be kind of annoying, so it depends on what your tastes are. I did read it not really liking shoujo and still got through it, so it's probably not the worst out there if you're not into the romancy stuff. And it's a little bit different, the whole like girl getting a coach and who's very tomboyish. I haven't seen that a lot in most manga, but then again, I don't read a lot of these. So anyway, that's my thoughts on Koukou Debut. Let me know if you're reading any manga that you think I would like. Sure, let me know about any shoujo. I'm always open to anything, or anything a little more serious. I hope you're having fun with all your readings, and I will catch you soon. Bye!